Good morning guys, today is August 19th. It's been 1 week na since the first day of school, and so far ang ganda ng ng klase ko guys. Magaling yung mga students ko for now kasi yun nga, 1 week pa lang. This is only our second week. I have 20 students sa klase ko. No, actually, I have 19 students sa klase ko. Pero sabi nila, change daw yan throughout the year. Parang mag-a-add ng more students or mawala ng students. Parang ganun ba? And last week, yung focus ko last week is yung talaga, yung procedures and routine. Ang pinaka-importante doon is yung modeling. Hindi lang yung sinasabihan mo nga na ito yung ganito, ito yung role ko, ito yung ganito. I model it talaga. What it sounds like, what it looks like, what it feels like, parang ganun ba. Tapos pag may mali sila magawa, pag hindi sila kahit kunting mali na hindi nila na-follow, we go over again. Mas ma-remember nila yung rules ko. Ang plano ko today is mag-lesson ako ngayon sa reading. Sa math, nagsimula na ako sa math last week pero parang easy lang. Pero ngayon this week, magsimula na talaga ako. So, yun. I-update ko lang kayo sa aking classroom para makita niyo yung nagawa namin last week. Yan yung word wall ko guys. Yan yung vocabulary namin this module 1, lesson 1. Yan, nilagay ko dyan. 4 lang sila. Tapos, ito yung lagyan ko sa mga math, vocab dyan. Yan. Tapos, ito yung writing center ko. Yan na yung mga sinulat nila. Mga lang yan. Ang prompt ko ay, your best summer memory. What is your best summer memory? So, as you can see, na-notice ko na mas magaling yung mga bata dito mag-spelling. Mas magaling yung writing nila compared sa last year. Last year talaga, grabe. Mas grabe yung last year. Pero marami din akong naangat last year. From 4th grade below level to 4th grade level sila at the end of the year. Yan. There's mga U-table dito. Tapos bisitahin natin ito yung kinaguguluhan nila guys. So, gusto nila. Yun yung desk pet nila. Tingnan yung desk pet nila. Yan. Parang, for me, successful itong desk pet na to. Gustong-gusto nila. Tapos, I use it as my leverage talaga. Sa parang behavioral system ba. Change natin yung date. 18. Tapos, lagyan ko lang ng learning intention ngayon. Success criteria for math and reading. So, yun. Tapos, nag-auction din ako last Friday. Yan yung mga binibenta ko. Para to sa pet nila. Yan, pagkain ng pet. Mga ganyan. Tapos yung treasure box, nag-auction din ako. Uy, wala na. Meron pa ako doon marami. Tapos every morning guys, meron kaming 10-minute challenge. Ito yung pina-follow ko. Kahit ano lang challenge para ma-wake up sila ba. Para hindi ma-board yung nila, mind. Tapos, some of my students gumawa ng house nila already. Tapos ito. Yan. Gumawa na ng house. So, yeah. Yun yung update ko so far, guys. So ngayon, hanapin ko lang yung learning intentions and success criteria na nasa online, tapos isulat ko doon para i-copy namin yun. Tapos, ito pala guys, so binigay ito ng parent. Binigay ito ng isang nanay. Ito at saka ito, sabi niya na pang positive vibe daw. Parang medium siya, I don't know. Naniwala siya sa mga universe, ganun. Sabi niya pang paano lang kasi nagustuhan daw ng anak niya yung klase ko. Yan. Yan na yung learning intentions ko guys and success criteria. Tilted siya pero okay lang. Ito yung room ni mama guys. Tapos na. Ano siya? Yung grado niya is 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. Special ed. Yan. Tapos may isang assistant siya dyan. Anong phone ma?
It's right here. I printed you.
Kanya yun? Set up daw yung phone ko. Pencils ready.
Pencils ready.
This is my pencil.
This is my pencil.
There are many like it.
There are many like it.
But this is my pencil.
But this is my pencil.
My pencil.
My pencil.
It's my best friend.
It's my best friend.
Without me,
my
pencil is useless.
My pencil is useless.
Without my pencil,
I am
voiceless.
voiceless.
I know that when I write, I can inform,
I can inform,
I can inspire,
I can inspire,
I can change the world.
I can change the world.
This is my pencil.
This is my pencil.
There are many like it,
There are many like it.
but this one is mine.
This is mine.
Ready?
Ready.
Pencils ready.
Pencils ready.
Now write.
Now write.
Hey guys, umuwi na yung mga estudyante. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kasi pumasok yung assistant principal. Nag-observe lang siya saglit. So yun, maganda naman yung klase ko ngayon. First day of learning talaga yung first day of lesson talaga na galing sa book, sa reading. Tapos it was good. So far so good. Like I said, magaling yung mga students ko, so no problem. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'll vlog a little bit tomorrow and then maybe I'll post it on Friday. I don't know yet. So yeah, see ya guys. Bye. Good morning guys. Today's Thursday and yesterday hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi pagod ako yesterday sa gym. Galing ako sa gym sa umaga. Tsaka nagpagupit pala ako ng buhok kahapon kasi parang hindi ko na kaya. Gusto ko sana yung mahabang buhok ba kasi mahal yung dito, mahal yung barber. So kahapon nagbayad ako ng $50. Magkano na yan sa Pilipinas? Mga 2K? Mga ganun, 2K something peso yung gupit dito. So kaya usually nagpapahaba ako ng buhok para save. Tignan natin yung mga house na ginawa ng ibang estudyante. Yan yung house pet nila. Effort na effort talaga yung mga bata. Tapos ito, box talaga. Tapos pwede natin na gano'n. Oops, hulog. Oops, palaka. Nasira. Hello, kagalitan ako nito. Monkey. Ano yung pet niyo? Yan. Every Friday, meron silang salary. Yan. Yung may mga trabaho, susilduan ko sila. Tapos, they can buy sa store ko. May marami akong mga candies, mga goodies ba for kids, and then mga accessories para sa pet nila. So, pag hindi sila galingan yung trabaho nila, pwede silang ma-terminate or makunan yung sweldo nila, parang ganun. So, very serious talaga sila sa trabaho nila. So far, so good. Yeah. Binilhan pala ako ni Gila ng guys, yung para siyang Stanley, para siyang Stanley Cup, pero hindi siya Stanley. Ano siya? Owala. Yan, Owala. Kasi mas easy siya i-drink. Maka-drink na ako agad, hindi ko na kailangang i-open. As opposed to yung regular tumbler kasi. Ang hirap, mag-open-open pa ako, ganun. Ma-spill pa ito. May straw. Mas maganda talaga siya. At saka, hindi ko siya makakalimutan. Ang sarap ng, for some reason, sarap siyang inumin. Bumili na lang ako ng toppers para, kunyari, hindi baka may langaw. Wala namang langaw, pero, sometimes mga estudyante, nag-sneeze kasi sila. Yeah. Yun na. So, maganda siya, guys. Meron pala akong guys, classroom jobs application. Ito yung, application nila. Na kung gusto nila mag-apply ng job dito sa classroom ko, ito yung fill out nila. Yan. They can apply up to 2 jobs. Tapos may salary sila every Friday dahil sa jobs nila. Ganun. And last week, in-interview ko sila. Tinatanong ko bakit sila yung the best candidate for the job. Mga ganun. Parang real world application ba? Para more intentional siya. So, excited yung mga bata and they love doing their job. Alright, you guys ready? Mm-hmm. Write it down. What's the difference between that 5 and this 5? Write your answer on your table.
Can I write a word for it?
Just tell me your answer or make sure write your answer however you want. The difference between this 5 and that 5. 3, 2, 1. Jake, is that really a 5?
No.
What is that?
500.
500. And then, is that a 5 right there?
Yes.
That's just a 5. Okay, so we have 500 and the 5. How are they different? Chana.
The first 5 is in the hundreds, and then the second 5 is in the ones.
I like that when you say it's in a hundreds place. So that means this 5 is how many times as great as this 5 right here? Leah?
100 times.
100 times as great. Now let's check our answer. If I multiply this, you said 100 times as great, right? By 100, what do we get?
500.
They're the same. So we can say that this 5 right here is 100 times as great as this 5. You paying attention, Coda? You hope you're getting it? Okay. On your own. Erase. My question is, how many times as great is the 3 here compared to the 3 here? So this 3 is called the A, is how many times as great as the 3 here? We call that B. Write your answer on the table, on your circle. That 3 right there is how many times as great as the 3 from here? And then cover your answer. Cover your answer. Cover your answer. Koda, you have the answer?
Wait.
This 3 is how many times as great as this 3? What's your answer, Chana?
A is 10,000 great. A is 10,000 greater than
10,000. What's your answer?
10,000.
10,000. What's your answer? 1,000. What's your answer, Koda? 10,000? 1,000? Carlos, everything good? Then I shouldn't hear people talking. That's good. Alright. Let's check our answer. Is that really a 3, Coda?
No.
What is that?
That's 10,000.
That's 10,000? What is the... Don't give me the place value. Give me the value of the 3.
30,000.
30,000, right?
Oh,
1 cent, 100,000. 10,000, which is 30,000. And this 3 is what?
3.
3. Okay. How many zeros are there here? 1, 2. How many zeros?
4.
So what do I multiply 3 by to get 30,000? If I multiply it by 10, do we get 30,000? That's 30, right? Only. If I multiply it by 100, what is that?
300.
If I multiply it by 1,000,
3,000.
if I multiply it by 10,000, 30,000. So that means this 3 right here is how many times as great?
10,000.
10 times 10,000 times as great. Okay. Coda, what's your answer? Not Coda, Jacob. Chana, you good. Jake, you graduated.
Yeah.
Give me your markers. Doritos. $6. Anybody for a 7? 7. Going once, twice. Sold. Coloring for your little brother, little sister. 5, 6. Once, twice, sold. Bites. 6, 7, 8, 7. Once, twice, sold. Bubble gum for another $1. I said for $1. Jiven. Alright, bueno. $2? Alright, $2. Who else wants to buy $2 for a bueno? Come over here. Right. Too loud. If you want to purchase something, line up right here. Quietly. Hey guys, so umuwi na yung mga bata and today's Friday. So yeah, it was a great second week of school. Na-establish ko na yung rules ko, what I like. Sinabi ko sila yung mga dislikes ko, yung mga ganon. Talking to your classmates while the teacher's talking. Make sure ko talaga na they understand that. And make sure that kiniklean nila yung area nila. Yan. Nakastack yung chair. Clean yung area. Para, you know, set na lahat. So, yep. Everything's good.
Or you should give me a cake and a candle. Demanding.
How old are you, madam?
Never mind. Don't give the cake.